Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from OMGHerHair, and if you check the info section below, I'll have all the information and details located there, as well as a discount code. So just in case you guys are interested in saving $30 off of your purchases when you spend $179 or more, use discount code Elise30 to save some cash. So here is the wig that I have. I have their new tight curly 13x6" lace frontal wig. Of course, this wig does come with the high definition lace, the clean bleached hairline, as well as this wig is pre-plucked, and you do not have to use any glues or any adhesives, as this wig does have that fitted glueless cap and removable adjustable strap. So my wig is 18 inches long, 150% density, and I do have the cap size medium. Now before I get started with this wig, I'm just going to give it a quick shampoo and condition, just because I do plan on redefining these curls and getting a more natural look. If you're a beginner, you do not have to do this. This wig is 100% ready straight out of the box. It doesn't require any work at all. It's just that I just prefer to, shampoo and condition prior to me putting it on.
Yeah. You know. You are not the one, you're not even my crush. You think you my style, but you barely made the cut. You say you don't need me, but I'm calling you.
So prior to me just allowing this wig to just sit and air dry, I'm just going to quickly style it up and redefine these curls. If y'all don't have this brush right here, I'll be sure to link it in the info section below. But if y'all have curly hair or even your own natural hair, you're going to need this brush right here. This brush definitely helps clump the curls together. I use it on my natural hair. I use it on my curly wigs. It is definitely a staple of mine. I'm also going to list all the products that you're seeing throughout this video in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. So once again, I'm just going to go in and just style up this wig, get these curls redefined.
But I let you hit my line, you probably prayed for that. Gave you a couple nights, you never take that. Didn't mean to gas you up, you switched up so fast. If you think you can do better, go ahead. I won't miss you, no regrets. Getting really good at goodbye. I just wanna have a good time. See, I stay away from drama, strong believer in karma. Block your number so I don't go insane. And when you come to your senses and realize what you're missing, better hold that I remember your name. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced.
So pretty much I've allowed the wig to sit and air dry overnight. Everything is dry and ready to go. So before I put the wig on, I'm just going to apply a little bit of my foundation to the lace. I want everything to blend and look nice and natural, because nobody wants to see your lace, girl. So everything looks good. Now I'm going to also apply this removable adjustable strap, just because I want to get a nice custom fit. And if you don't prefer to use any glues or adhesives, this is definitely the way to go, just to where your wig will lay nice and flat and there won't be anything lifting. So did you guys peep this hairline? Y'all, OMGHerHair has the best pre-plucked hairline. Shout out to them. If you guys are a beginner or you don't have a care in the world to tweeze up your own hairline, y'all definitely need to check out OMGHerHair. Once again, they are my favorite company, hands down. So y'all go ahead and check them out.
Not really sure how to say this. Seriously trying to erase this, but I can't seem to get you out. I'm not exactly an angel, but you'd hold the devil with your spell. Boy, it's hard to let you out. You're bad for me, and I know it's getting out of control. Tonight I just might, I won't put up a fight. I'm tired of being on my own, but I'm tired of being all alone. Come over tonight, I won't put up a fight. Tonight I'm gonna be unhealthy, do all the things that tempt me. One more time. Tonight I'm gonna be unhealthy, drink until the bottles are empty. One more time, just tonight. Give me all of your combined, turns my sanity inside. How can I let it show? It's wrong for me, I know. Hush, I can be that whatever you need. Take me wherever you're feeling, hold me whenever you're willing. You're bad for me, and I know it's getting out of control.
Okay, you guys, so get into this wig, y'all. This is by far one of my favorite wigs from OMGHerHair, and it's really hard to choose just one because I love all their wigs. And I'm not just saying this just because this wig was sent to me, but y'all, I don't know what it is about this wig, but I am just in love with it. I think it's the texture, something about this texture, it just has me for one. But yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite wigs from them. And this wig is super soft, minimal shedding, and I love the natural luster that this wig gives off. It looks super natural, almost like I could have grown it myself. And y'all know I love a good natural looking wig. But once again, you guys check out OMGHerHair. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. If you guys are interested in this wig or anything available on their website, definitely use discount code ELISE30 to save $30 when you spend $179 or more. You guys, once again, get into this wig. It just grows the more that you guys play around with it. Super natural, and oh my god, y'all, look at that part. It goes all the way back. It looks so realistic, and y'all, I'm here for it. So once again, you guys do check out OMGHerHair. Everything will be located in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.